Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are over at the Crowne Plaza Fort Lauderdale airport location. Very good proximity to Port Everglades cruise terminal. It was literally down the street, less than 10 minutes. So I have a quick little room tour I could give you guys. Alright, just wanted to do a quick little room tour here at the Crowne Plaza, the Fort Lauderdale. Very close to the cruise port and Fort Lauderdale airport. So they have shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. We have a walk-in shower with, looks like a rain shower head. So if you have little ones that are scared to take a shower, you might want to see if they have a bathtub. Ours did not. Have a vanity mirror. We have some space to put your makeup bag. Looks like we have a couple places and a fairly large countertop. Again, with hand soap and lotion in here. Lots of lighting.
Excuse me, Mommy?
What? So here is another like full-length mirror. We have two full-length mirrors. We have an ironing board. And so we have more space to put luggage. This is actually a very nice size room. And it even has like a microwave, which we haven't seen in a while. Ice bucket, a Keurig. We have a mini fridge. There is an ice machine down the hall.
Mommy, this is like your ice machine, like gumbo machine, right?
Yeah. So we have some regular coffee, tea, decaf.
Mommy, this is like T.O.
Now there's a little table here, which is nice. Sorry, we literally just came in, so it's a little crazy here. It looks like the beds are not lofted, so you can't put your luggage under there, but you can put them into the closet, and this is a nice... Alright, over here we have 6 fairly large drawers. You can put your packing cube. This is a very nice place. You can work from home here. If you are coming to the area for work, you have a really nice chair and desk. Again, tons of storage space. This is our room. I guess we have a view of Fort Lauderdale here. I think we're about like a mile away from the beach. The cruise, we just got off the cruise, and it was about like 5 to 10 minute drive, very quick. So it's just literally down the street. And we have another little chair. And again, these beds are not lofted. They are super high up, which is nice. They feel very comfortable. And yeah, over here we have this. And looks like we only have one outlet here. I did not check on the other side of the bed, but I believe there are some over here, and they even have the European one. Oh, there is an outlet on this side of the bed, and there's one here, so that you do have outlets on both sides.
Mommy?
We just got off of a cruise over at Port Everglades. We got in this morning, and it was a very good location. Also, I believe we're about a mile away from the beach. You can kind of see it from the hotel room. Probably a little bit too long to walk. Yeah, and also this area is like slightly sketchy. There are some nice restaurants, but I don't know. My husband thought it would be okay.
What's the passwords?
Daddy's big belly.
That's right. Daddy.
I think the hotel itself is fine to walk, and even there are some nicer restaurants, like, in close walking distance. If you have to go a little farther, we walked to a Taco Bell. There's also a Pollo Tropical and Burger King that we walked to, which was about, 5 or 6 blocks away. There were other people, it looked like, that were staying at our hotel that were going to get, wine. I believe they're probably going to the cruise terminal tomorrow. So that's definitely possible. Just know we did pass a few homeless people, that just might be because of Fort Lauderdale. And we were at the pool check-in process. We came right off the boat. Okay, so we got in here very early this morning. It was about 9:30, 10.
Just 3 steps and then I drowned.
It was very busy. So they let us go and use the pool facilities the whole day. So we were doing that the whole day. We finally, at 3 o'clock, were able to get into a room. So there are people that just were showing up now, and their rooms are still not ready here at 3 o'clock. So they're going to have to get their name on a list. So just something to keep in mind. So I just don't know like how that is. Pool was okay. They do not have life jackets for the kids. That's something I'm a little spoiled about staying at Disney. So you might want to consider if your child like brings some like water wings or something else. All right, anyway, I think I'm going to close out the video. Hope this gave you some knowledge of where to stay. I also have a vlog that probably went up before this. When we first stayed, when we got, before our cruise, we stayed at a different resort right on the beach. It was called Be Ocean, a little bit nicer, and like right on the beach. No issues there, complaints. Go check out that vlog. If you like Disney content, I do share a lot of Disney content on my channel. Give this video a like. It really does help support the channel, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.